Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Now, at present you are studying Act 2, Scene 2. Here, today we will study the speech of Lancelot, line number 56. Lancelot says, "Ergo, Master Lancelot, talk not of Master Lancelot, father, for the young gentleman, according to fates and destinies, and such odd sayings, the sisters three, and such branches of learning is indeed deceased, or as you would say in plain terms, gone to heaven." Lancelot says, therefore, you are referring to Master Lancelot. Ergo, Master Lancelot. Therefore, you are referring to Master Lancelot, father, for the young gentleman, according to fates and destinies and such odd sayings. He says, do not speak about Master Lancelot. Lancelot says to his father Gobbo, do not speak about Master Lancelot, old gentleman. The young man, according to his fate, the young man, Lancelot says about himself, the young man, according to his fate or destiny or such things, or the three sisters of the ancient Greeks and such other branches of learning, is dead. He says that Lancelot is dead, he himself is dead, or to say in plain words, has gone to heaven. He says he has gone to heaven. Now Gobbo says, Mary, God forbid, the boy was the very staff of my age, my very prop. He says, by the Virgin Mary, may God forbid this to happen. It should not be happen. The boy was the support in my old age. The boy was the support in my old age, my only support. He was only the support of my old age. If he would die, if he would gone to heaven, who would support me? Lancelot aside says, do I look like a cudgel or a howel post, a staff or a prop? Do you know me, father? Now he Lancelot thought not to make fun further. So he says, do I look like a staff or a post supporting a shed? A staff or a support? Aloud, he says, don't you recognize me, father? Father, you have forgotten me. Don't you recognize me? Gobbo says, alack the day. I know you not, young gentleman, but I pray you tell me, is my boy, God rest his soul, alive or dead? Gobbo says, alas, very sad the day I do not know you, young man. Young man, I do not know you, but please tell me, is my son, may God give him peace, is dead or alive? Lancelot said, do you not know me, father? Father, you don't know me. Gobbo said, alas, sir, I am sand blind. I know you not. Gobbo says, I am half blind. I cannot recognize you. Who are you? I don't know. Lancelot says, nay, indeed, if you had your eyes, you might fail of the knowing me. No, no, indeed. Even if your eyesight was good, you might not recognize me. Even if your eyesight was good, you might not recognize me. Why? It is said it is a wise father that knows his own child. He says, for it is a wise father. You might not recognize me if you, even if you your eyesight was good, because it is a wise father who recognizes his child. Only a wise father can recognizes his child. Well, old man. He says, well, old man, I will tell you news of your son. Give me your blessing. He says, I will tell you. I will give you the news. I shall give you news of your son. Give me your blessing. You give me your blessing. Lancelot kneels down before him. Truth will come to light. Murder cannot be hid long. A man's son may, but in the end, truth will out. He says, truth will reveal itself. It cannot be hidden, and murder cannot be hidden for long. A man's son may hide things, but in the end, the truth will be revealed. Bobo says, pray you, sir, stand up. I am sure you are not Lancelot, my boy. Bobo says, please get up. Don't kneel down. I know, I am sure, I have no doubt that you are not my son. Lancelot Bobo. Lancelot says, pray you, let us have no more fooling about it. But give me your blessing. I am Lancelot, your boy. That was your son. That is your child. That shall be. Lancelot says, please, father, let us not fool each other. Stop now. Let us not fool each other any more. Now give me your blessing. I am Lancelot, who was your boy and is your son, and shall always be your child. Bobo says, I cannot think you are my son. Lancelot says, I know not what shall I think of that, but I am Lancelot, the Jew's man, and I am sure Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. Lancelot says, he wanted to assure his father, I do not know what to say about that. I am Lancelot, the servant of the Jew, the servant of Shylock. Marjorie, your wife, is my mother. What conversation goes after that, you will study in lecture number 3. Thank you, student. Thank you so much.